usithathaphi isibindi sokufika emabhubesini mase ufuna amabhubesi angakulumi angakuqwebi akulandele nje adana akuhloniphe nje. Angithi wona amabhubesi asejwayele vele ukuthi aphile ubulwane. So when you are a pastor or a teacher that is of God, you must understand all people now are your children. Ilaba abakwazi ukuthobela intando emasontweni, ilaba futhi abangaphandle abayixhwanguxhwangu. So when you go to laba abayixhwanguxhwangu and minister to them, do understand ukuthi yeke bedane bevele bekulalele from the beginning. Bengaqala bekulalele but mase bayakutesta to see ukuthi uyakwazi ukuqinisela, uyakwazi yini ukubekezela, uyakwazi yini ukuthi live up to what you say. They are trying to break you ukuze bezoqhubeka bedominate. Angithi sebejwayele ukuthi kube yibona abalawulayo. But when you are claiming to be of God, that means when we're not above them, and bona they cannot tolerate that, which is why like balekile ukuthi ngale nkathi uhamba ngevangeli kubantu abaningi, you must understand ukuthi it's not going to be easy. Kodwa kubalekile wena ukuthi ngale nkathi uthi preach, minister, just invite the presence of the Holy Spirit. Ugesi kamoya ngcwele ufike ubophe zonke izinto, and then mase uthi elevate you and elevate those abafunayo ukuthi bamkele lelo lizwi laNkulunkulu. But ungabazonda abantu, they will warm up to you.